Hello everyone, I am Dr. Aparna Vijay Kumar, Senior Consultant Neurologist in Citizens Hospitals, Hyderabad. Let's talk about migraine. What is migraine? Migraine is a type of headache which can be throbbing or pulsating or pricking in nature. It can involve one side of the head or it can be generalized. It can be associated with neck pain or pain behind the head also. It is usually associated with nausea, vomiting, and there is irritation to light and sound. There can be feeling of aura before the onset of headache in the form of visual symptoms like blurring of vision or zigzag lines. There can be auditory symptoms like tinnitus or ringing in the ear, or there can be pins and needles in one half of the body. Let us come to what are the causes of migraine. Migraine is usually considered hereditary as there are certain genes associated with it. So it can run in families. Migraine can be seen in all age groups from childhood to elderly, and is most frequently commonly seen in the age group of 30 to 50 years in women. The other causes could be vitamin B12 deficiency, D deficiency, iron deficiency, and also magnesium deficiency, associated with disorders of thyroid and diabetes. Migraine is also seen following head injuries. A person can get migraine first time after a head injury. Now let's talk about the triggers of migraine. Migraine is triggered by usually sunlight or excessive heat. Patient or person goes for traveling, long journeys, that can also trigger migraine. It is caused by dehydration and can follow any viral fever or any illness which causes dehydration. Migraine can be triggered by lack of sleep. If a person does not get proper 8 hours of sleep, it can trigger migraine. It can also be triggered by untimely meals. If a person skips its lunch or dinner, he can get migraine. It is also caused by the use of screen like gadgets. The modern gadgets which have come, so patients who use gadgets for longer period of time, they can get these headaches. Now comes the question, how can migraine be prevented? So as I told you, the various triggers of migraine, so accordingly the patient should have proper sleep. So proper good 8 hours of sleep is very important to prevent migraine. Having food on time is also very important. Apart from that, the most important thing is avoiding gadgets. The use of screen, the use of cell phones, television and other gadgets, they should be of very limited time. And also the patient should avoid sweets and chocolates to prevent migraine. When they are going out in the sunlight, they should take proper care wearing headwears to prevent the sunlight exposure. During long journeys and all, they should take proper care about hydration and proper nutrition. They should not skip meals. And most important thing is they should have a healthy lifestyle. They should practice pranayama, yoga regularly, to exercise for at least 30 to 45 minutes per day. So based on these triggers and based on the preventive factors which I told you, patients, because migraine has no permanent cure, so only by following a good lifestyle we can conquer migraine. Thank you.